Hey there parents, here is a quick video for you about chapter 16 for math this week. So it's a pretty easy chapter. We're looking at classifying and sorting. So I just want to walk you through the workbook pages, what to expect, and the vocabulary to focus on, okay? So the vocab that we're focusing on is going to be color, shape, size, pattern, same, different. Really easy stuff. So like in this picture, we're looking for like we would say we're looking for objects with the same pattern, or we're looking for objects with the same shape. Okay, so like we have round, round. And let me show you what I mean a little bit more, because our worksheets really do the most, like the best favor for us this week, but I do want to walk you through them so they're not confusing. So looking at page 12, you have all these objects around. You're going to be sorting them by if they're round or if they're a triangle. And so your student should be able to do that. They're drawing a line from the object to the dot above or below, depending on which side it's on, okay? So for this one, it's not color, it's shape. And it says, classify things by one attribute, sort and match. And that's going to be true for all the pages for today. So this one, you just have to look big, small. And so a human is big, a bird is small. Really just looking at those objects, okay? Oh. For some reason they have the bird as being big. Again, our math book. Maybe mama bird, baby human, mama, big bird. We're looking at yellow versus red. That's a pretty easy one, sorting by color. We're looking at patterns, stripes versus, I don't know, what is this, checkered? And then the last page, make an X on the item that does not belong. So hat, fire hydrant, grass. Well, this one's green. Round, round, oval. That one's a little bit tricky. We have big, big, small. That's a tricky one. And then it looks like we have checkered stripes. So just needing to pay attention and have them really investigate. Have them look hard and say, which one is it? Don't just give them the answer. Go ahead and work with them a little bit on that, okay? Let's look at lesson 2. This one, we're going to be classifying by two attributes. So like we would look for blue triangles, right? Or we would look for squares, and we have squares, but then I want blue squares, so we have a blue square. That wouldn't be the same, okay? Let's go ahead and look at the worksheets for that. Oh, sorry, it's not turning. So we have 2 worksheets. The first one says match. So notice how confusing these lines are, but if it's big, they'll draw a line to it, right? If it's small, they'll draw a line to it. If it's yellow, they'll draw a line to it. So you're going to have multiple lines going from these dots over here to this side, okay? Because they fit multiple categories: big, small, yellow, blue, circle, triangle, different shapes. This one says make an X on the wrong common attribute. So they're both triangles, they're both red, but they are not both small. These are all small, they're all green, but they are not all squares. These are all big, they're all circles, but they are not all purple. Okay? Now I also want you to do some fun activities with this at home too. You can get blocks, you can get dolls, any toys they have. You could do spoons and forks. Have them classify them by all forks, all spoons. If you have big spoons versus small spoons, go ahead and do that. Just give them that extra practice, that hands-on practice that a book can't give them, okay? That's really going to help them for their tests this week. Should go by super quick. If you have any questions, just reach out, okay?